Hi, welcome to my channel. So I'm doing this video especially for the candidates who are registered for the PhD and preparing for the pre-PhD coursework. Why? Because all of you know that the research methodology is a mandatory subject in the pre-PhD coursework, that everybody has to finish this one and write the exam and get the proper credits. Okay. And most of the people feeling little bit difficult to read this research methodology subject by themselves, or else the self-study will be a little bit difficult. So by considering that point, here I bring up this video. So here the Ministry of Education, one of the organization under the Ministry of Education is providing the total 10 days online research methodology workshop. So which will be very much helpful to you guys. And here there is no fee for the registration purpose. It is completely free. And the candidates who are perfectly attending the sessions, you will get the certificate also for this one. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the pre-PhD coursework. Okay, and it will be very much helpful to them, guys. So if you are not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe to get the more notifications like this. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Indian Council of Social Science Research, Ministry of Education, okay, Government of India. So from this official website, here I got this one, guys, the 10 days interactive workshop on research methodology in social sciences from May 31st to June 9, 2021. Okay, so you have to hurry up for this one. Why? Because the registration date is going to end, guys. Okay, so let me read the complete details regarding this one. So it is a brochure regarding the 10 days interactive workshop on research methodology in social sciences. So this course is for the PhD pursuing candidates as well as the postdoctoral fellows and other research scholars, guys. Okay, so ICSSR sponsored online from May 31st to 9th June 2021, and it is organized by the Center for Social Studies. Okay, so Veer Narmad South Gujarat University campus. Fine. So let us check the details regarding this one. So the 10 days interactive workshop on research methodology in social sciences over last several years continuously it was conducted. So this year this 10 days interactive workshop on research methodology in social sciences will be held during 31st May to 9th June 2021. So actually every year the session was happened through the offline, but nowadays due to the pandemic situation, this is going to be done in the online, guys. So you may utilize this opportunity by simply sitting in your home. And coming to the content of the workshop, so what you are going to get from the workshop is that research methodology, theoretical and philosophical issues and different schools. What are the different types of research and research design? What are the different types of data, methods and tools of the data collection? The sampling and statistical tools, statistical techniques and data analysis using statistical package for the social sciences, and various methods of qualitative research, and how to write the report, the research paper and the monograph. So total these are the 7 topics are going to be discussed in this workshop, guys. Okay, in the 10 days. Okay, so really it is a very good, wonderful opportunity to the candidates. So a few guidelines are also mentioned here for the participants. The applicant should be working on their PhD or else a postdoctoral thesis or planning to carry out a research. Okay, so interested candidates are requested to send their application to the coordinates along with the duly filled up application form, so as to reach us at least May 5th, 2021. Okay, so the May 5th is the last date, guys. So the interested candidates may hurry up, but because here based upon the number of candidates applied for this one, the organization is going to select only few candidates to participate in the workshop, guys. Okay, so here I will show you the application form. Okay, that is attached at the end of this PDF, guys. So you have to take the printout of this one and then fill up the details whatever they asked in the application form, and then you have to send the filled up application form to the mentioned address by May 5th, 2021. And for further information or to download the form, you may visit the official website, or else If you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact to this mail ID, guys. Okay, so click on that one, then you will be directed to the particular mail ID, then you may send your query, guys. Okay, so intimation pertaining to the selection of applicant, that means after sending the application forms, they will do some selection procedure. Based upon that one, they will select few candidates, and the selected candidates will be intimated to the participant by the 20th May 2021. Okay, and along with the application form, the candidates are expected to submit a brief note of about 1,000 words delineating research questions, methodology, and details on their ongoing research and its current space. And due to pandemic situation, the course will be held online. The link to the selected participants will be sent prior to the beginning of the course itself. So presence in each session is very much mandatory for receipt of the certificate. So if you want to get the certificate, then you have to sit mandatory in the each and every session. And here the coordinator's contact number as well as the mail IDs are given here. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact these numbers, or else you may put the query to the provided mail ID. And address for submitting the application form is given here. So check down, it is address, guys, and the email ID is also given here. And coming to the application form, okay, so it is application form for attending the interactive workshop on research methodology and social sciences online. So you have to fill up all these details. Okay, after filling up all these details, and you have to attach few things. Okay, so after attaching, then you have to send to the provided mail ID. Okay, so if in case any lockdown is there in our area, and if you are feeling difficult to send the application forms to the mentioned address, then immediately contact to these numbers, okay, and ask for the remedial process. Okay, guys. So it is the complete details regarding this one, and I will share this link in the description box of this video to get the accurate as well as the more details regarding this interactive workshop on research methodology, okay, which is going to be happen from May 31st to 9th June 2021. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here, by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you, that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide